Hi, and welcome to the Best Buy vlog. My name is Ray, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the Breville Barista Express Impress. If you love making coffee at home but don't want to take a full course on drink making, then the Breville Barista Express Impress is the machine for you. This semi-automatic espresso machine will help you create delicious, professional quality beverages from the comfort of your own home. In its box, you'll find an impressively built machine. This espresso maker is beautiful and heavy and comes with a removable 250-gram bean hopper, a removable 2-liter water tank, a removable drip tray with grid, and a removable tamp cover. Also included is an instruction manual, a water filter and filter holder, a 54mm stainless steel portafilter, and 4 single and dual wall filter baskets. The machine also comes with a razor, Breville's dose trimming tool, a stainless steel milk jug, a cleaning kit, and a tool tray that hides behind the drip tray underneath the machine. The Breville Barista Express Impress is a more automatic upgrade on the original Barista Express. It's still designed to produce a shot of espresso in under a minute, but it adds a tamping handle, which is so satisfying to use. Instead of tamping your own coffee grounds manually, which is a process that I'm always tentative about, you pull a sleek handle and the machine delivers even, precise pressure for you. The Impress tamps with exactly 22 pounds of pressure every time, then finishes your puck with a 7-degree barista twist for a polished effect. The Impress also adds grind control, dosing, and dose feedback to your machine. On automatic, it'll remember your last used dose size. So, on your first pull with new beans or a new grind size, you may need to dose a few times or trim. After that, the process should be fully preset for you. So, why use a lever-based tamping mechanism? Along with grind size, poor tamping is one of the most common reasons as to why your at-home espresso isn't as good as what you get in a coffee shop. The Impress is the first espresso machine that I've seen use assisted tamping, and paired with dose level feedback, which uses LED lights and a little happy face to tell you if you have the right amount of grounds in your portafilter basket, assisted tamping works very well to streamline your at-home coffee machine. And in my opinion, it's great for both beginners and the bleary-eyed expert. Even if you're a great tamper, I can see it helping to simplify your morning coffee routine and get you prepared for the day really quickly with absolutely zero stress. I don't feel that it tamps as perfectly as a well-trained professional, with some uneven edges and the occasional bumpy top, but it performs much better than the untrained at-home barista reviewing this right now. To finish your drinks, Breville includes a piping hot steam wand that heats up quickly and can be purged before and after each use for easy cleaning. The steam wand works really well to create a dense, structured microfoam from both dairy and non-dairy milks, and is presented right next to a hot water wand. Overall, the espresso out of the Express Impress is pretty darn good. One could even say that it's impressive. For my full review, make sure to check out the Best Buy blog. Thanks for watching.